Yeah. Good
సార్
evening
ఒక
to all of you.
సార్
Yeah,
క్వశ్చన్ సార్.
please.
ఇది కీబోర్డు మా ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఉంది సార్, బట్ అది అరబిక్ లో రావట్లేదు. దానికి ఏమి ప్రెస్ చేయాలి? ఆల్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ అని చెప్పారు ఇంతకుముందు మన గ్రూప్ లో డిస్కషన్ లో. ఆల్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ ప్రెస్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది, బట్ అది రావట్లేదు. ఏమన్నా దానికి ఏమన్నా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి ఏంటి? ఏమన్నా కొంచెం అట్లా హెల్ప్ చేస్తారా?
ఓకే. మీరు ల్యాప్టాప్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, బటన్స్తో పాటు ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అరబిక్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్.
ఉన్నాయి సార్, సేమ్ మీరు
ఓకే.
చూస్తున్న స్క్రీన్ పైనే ఉన్నాయి.
ఓకే. దీంట్లో మీరు కంట్రోల్ ప్యానెల్లో వెళ్ళి లాంగ్వేజెస్ యాడ్ చేసి ఉంటుంది. రీజనల్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ అని వస్తాయి అన్నమాట.
ఓకే
దాంట్లో కీబోర్డ్ వస్తే అది యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఈజీగానే ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్. కంట్రోల్ ప్యానెల్లో కీబోర్డ్స్ లో రీజనల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అరబిక్ అని పెట్టాలి.
అరబిక్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి కీబోర్డ్లో.
ఓకే, అరబిక్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే 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 ఓకే.
ఇది వస్తుంది కదా, దీంట్లో నుంచి మీరు
మీ మీ స్క్రీన్ కనపడట్లేదు సార్, మీరు చూస్తున్నారా? మీది ప్రెజెంటేషన్ కనబడతా ఉంది.
అది కనబడట్లేదు మీకు. కరెక్టే, నేను ఓపెన్ చేశాను కానీ అది స్క్రీన్లోకి రావట్లేదు.
అంటే
ఓకే
మీరు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎంటైర్ సిస్టమ్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తే మీరు చూపెట్టేది కూడా కనబడుతుంది.
ఓకే.
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఓన్లీ డాక్యుమెంట్ షేర్ చేస్తే డాక్యుమెంట్ ఒకటే కనబడుతుంది.
ఓకే. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ డోంట్ మైండ్, ఐ విల్ టేక్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద లాస్ట్. ఓకే.
ప్రాబ్లం సార్, నో ప్రాబ్లం, నో ప్రాబ్లం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే. సో recordings. It's very simple to add the keyboard. You can add Telugu, English, or any other languages. Just has to go to the control panel, regional languages, then input the keyboards. Then you will see here in the bottom of this screen, English. Now it is showing English only. If I press, I have 3 keyboards. Telugu I have, Arabic I have, English I have, 3 keyboards. So it shows all 3 from the bottom on right side, near to the timestamp and the time and date. Near to that place, you will find the language also. It shows commonly English. It shows if you don't have any other language. If there is any other language, it shows that language also. So that I will come back in the last. We will take help also from the technos now available in the classroom. They also explain very well. Let us start the Arabic letters, what we learned in the last week. These letters, anyone remember which letters we learned last week?
Shin, Shin, Sod, Dod.
Dod, very good. We learned up to 15th letter. The 15th letter is Dod. This is the special letter of the Arabic language, as we discussed. The Lughatul Arabiya. The same, sometimes they call it as a language of Dod. Lughatul Dod. This is the specialty of this letter. So let me read one time again. If you have any doubt from these 15 letters, please let me know. Okay. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dod. These letters. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dod. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dod. Let us just recall the mistakes which can happen in each letter. This is Alif. The common mistake here is prolongation in the name itself. Alif, this is a mistake. So this has no prolongation, just you have to say Alif, A-L-I-F, Alif. Here Ba is a light letter, Ta is a light letter, Tha, this required little bit practice. The tip of the tongue must touch to the tip of the top teeth. This is the place it comes out. The sound comes out. Jim, there is a mistake commonly in Telugu people. They mispronounce it as a Zeem. Zeem is not correct. It is Jim, Jeem, Jim. Ha, it has to come middle of the throat. Ha, this is also little bit practice required here. Dal, Zal. It is a very light letter. Zal and Tha, both are same articulation point. Ra, Za, this also no issues. Seen, no issues. Sheen, it's also simple sound. Saad, here some people who learned the Arabic letters through Urdu teacher or Urdu medium, they may say Swa, Swad, Wow. It's not wow sound. Wow sound should not come here. Not swad. It is sad. Straight line. Alif. Sad. Sad. It has to be corrected here. Here is again the people who learn Arabic letters through Urdu. They say Zad. Zad is not correct. It is Dod. Dod is the correct pronunciation of the Arabic from the Arabic origin. So this is the common things which usually the people do the mistakes. So any questions up to this point?
Sir, when you're repeating this sa, just I want the video to be switched on, sir, from your side.
Okay.
For tha and dot and ha and ka for these letters.
Okay. I don't know
Yeah.
whether I am visible to you.
Yeah, visible. Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
This
Very
is
nice.
ha.
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 I
Okay.
open the mouth here. Ha.
Ha. Okay.
Dal. It is a light letter.
Okay.
Dal. You have to bring
Dal.
the tongue outside. Dal.
Dal type.
Ra.
Okay.
It is a
Ra.
easy one. Za, this is also easy one. Seen, it is a light letter. See, I am opening the mouth like this. Seen, sheen, sod. I open like this. Sod.
Okay.
Sod is a, when you open the mouth vertical, the automatically the sound comes, the heavy sound comes, heavy pronunciation.
Sod. Okay.
Sod. This one is dod. Dod. So
Dod.
up to now, ha, sod, dod. These are the three heavy letters which you learned till now. Is it okay?
Okay. Right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khair.
Yeah. Now we are going to learn the 4 letters or 6 letters now. This one is tha. This one is ta. The simple one, very easy to take out this sound. This one is a heavy letter, but surprisingly, ta, dal, ta, all these 3 letters coming from the same articulation point. Here, if you see here, the tip of the tongue, backside of this front top teeth, this flesh. At this point, these 3 letters are coming. Dal we learned, ta we learned, but this one, while saying thaw, you have to open the mouth vertical. Thaw, thaw, and za.
Is it heavy letter, sir? This one, thaw.
Sorry.
Is it heavy letter?
Yeah, it's a heavy letter.
Okay.
This is heavy letter. This is heavy letter. This is heavy letter. 3 heavy letters are there. If we learn this one, this also a heavy letter. So this, with this, all 7 letters will be concluded. To, see, when you are saying, when we have to say heavy sound, then we have to open the mouth vertical. To, not ta. Ta is this one. Ta, as the shape itself, we have to open the mouth also. Ta. This one is it's not spreaded. It is a vertical. To. Here it is also zo. Zo, the earlier we learned tha, zal. This one is zo. The same articulation point. Tha, zal, zo. Za is also this tip of the tongue should touch backside of the front teeth. From this one, you have to open the mouth vertical, then take out the sound. Za, za, ta, za, ta, za. These are the two letters. It's little bit tough, but ta, to. This is the difference. Ta, to, zal, za, zo. Zo is a heavy sound. This one is Ain. This letter is not available in Telugu or in English. We have to practice this one. The shape, it looks like a small curve here and then taking down. Ain. Ain is coming from the middle of the throat. It is a light letter. Ain. Ilm. Matam. Alim. Talim. These are some words from the Ain. Ain is a light letter. It's not a heavy letter. These two are the heavy letters. The articulation point is the middle of the throat. Ain, ha. This one is one letter and the other letter is here. These two are coming from the same origin. Ha, Ain. Ain, ha. Next letter is Ghain. Ghain, we learned this one. Ha, the same origin. Ha, Ghain. Ghain, we usually mistake here for Telugu people. Gani. Gani is not the correct one. Gha, Ghani. Ghani is the correct name. Some people have the name Ghani. So, but we mispronounce the name as a Gani, Gani or Ghi. In both way, it is not correct. In Telugu and in English, we cannot write this letter name in the other languages. Gha is the sound coming from the top of the throat. Gha, 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 ghain. Gha, ghain. Gha, ghain. This is the letter. This one is fa. Fa is the letter from lips. Earlier we learned ba. Ba is also coming from the lips. This fa, the top teeth must touch the middle of the lower lower lip. Here, if you touch here, then you have to take out the sound slowly. Fa, 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 fa. This is the one. This is the point. Fa. You have to touch here. Fa. So, cough is again the throat letter. There is a small, in Telugu it called as a Kondanaluka. In English, I don't know the name, but it's a small tongue behind this point. So here, cough is the one. Just a minute, please. This one is a cough. Cough is coming from the rarest end of the throat. It has to be different than ha. Ha is coming upper side of the throat. This is the rarest side of the tongue. Rarest side of the tongue from this point. Cough. This cough is heavy letter. Ha is a heavy letter. Ghain, Ghain is a heavy letter. These three letters are individual. Ha, Ghain, Qaf. Ha, Ghain, Qaf. These three are the heavy letters. The other four letters, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za. These four letters are in pair. So easily you can remember this is the one group. Ha, Ghain, Qaf. Heavy letters. The other four letters, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. This is articulation point as well as its characteristic. So up to this point, we learned 15 plus 4, 19 letters. Let us take one more letter, 20th letter also. This is a kaf, KAAF. It is very simple, very easy, and it can be written in Telugu as well as the English. KAAF, kaf. Here it is like a reverse L. L is like this, but it is a reverse L, but inside it has a S shape. This is one of the style, one of the font. The other also, it comes in the other font also. So its articulation point is again the rare side of the tongue, but not to the rarest point. Just before that one, cough and calf. These are very near to each other. These three little bit required practice here. Ha, cough, calf. Calf is very simple. No one do the mistake here. Does the mistake here. But these two required practice. Ha, cough. This is a calf. Calf is a spreaded light letter. So let us see how it comes. Okay, here. This is a thaw as an individual letter. This one is as a first letter in the word. It is joining the following letter. It is the middle of the word, maybe the second letter, third letter, fourth letter. That means it is in between the first letter and the last letter. So it is joining the preceding letter, it is joining the following letter. Here it is the last position. This is last position when it comes as a last letter of the word. It is joining the preceding letter. And za is just dot is the difference. Here if you see when writing the sad, you have to start from the middle. From here you have to make a small balloon. The same shape is repeated here. You have to start from here, make a small balloon. Then instead of going down, just you have to put the vertical line. So the first part of this letter is same. The first part of this letter is same. Second part curve, there is no curve here, but there is a vertical line. So from here start it and slowly go back and take it along with the line and make a vertical line on this one. This is thaw. Zaw just has to put the dot. If you see these two in all four positions, you can notice that the shape of the letter not changed with its position. When it is a individual letter, as a first letter, as a middle letter, as a last letter, this shape is it's maintaining the same shape. It's no rigidness. There is no it has a rigidness in the shape. It's not changing it. It's not allowing to change the shape. Exactly same shape continues in all four positions. Similarly, here also it is continuing the same position, same shape in all four positions. Uh, like this, we learn before also some letters which are rigid. These are the letters. Alif, it never changes its position, it never changes its shape based on the position. Similarly, dal, zal, ra, za. These four letters also never change its shape based on its position. These five letters, alif, dal, zal, ra, za, they are exactly maintaining the same shape in whichever the position. Plus today's lesson two letters tha, za, ain, ghain. These these two letters are also not changing the position. But there is a difference between these two letters and the earlier five letters. What is the difference? These five letters never allow the following letter to join it. It joins happily with the preceding letter but never allows to join the following letter. Similarly, these four letters also. These five letters never allows the following letter to join. Whereas tha, za, the shape is it's following the five letters, but it allows to join the following letter. These two allows to join the following letter. This is Talib. Talib is a student. Talib. Tabib. Ta is a doctor. Tabib. Tib is the medical. Tib. So this one has to be heavily pronounced. Za also has to be heavily pronounced. Ain, if you see the shape, it is coming little bit above the line. This is the line, you can take it. The first part is little bit above the line. The second part is, it is coming down to the line, below the line. So when it is the first letter of the word, the first part is, it's exactly same. It's not changing it. This means it is elevated here, small elevation, not big elevation. This is our line. Let me take the line. Okay. Here, the small elevation, if you see, if you notice, there is a small elevation. This is also small, here is a elevation. This part is same. It's looking like diagonal, not parallel to the line. It's looking like a diagonal. It's not looking like this. This has to be maintained. If someone write like parallel, that's also no issue. The shape is same. The letter is can be recognized as it is. There's no issue. But better is to write with a small diagonal, the looking upside. Then it's joining the following letter. There is no gap here. It is exactly joining the following letter. And middle position, it is joining the preceding letter as well as the following letter. But here, if you see a small triangle, this is very important to note, remember. If you don't remember this one, the similar letter is coming in the next week. It may confuse you. Is it Ain or the coming letter? So the Ain is the triangle. Maybe you might have seen the Vicks small like candies, small candies, small one, triangle shape. It is looking like a triangle. You have to remember this triangle. Without remembering triangle, this shape, you may confuse it or you may mistake in pronouncing this one, especially when it is coming in the middle. So as it is a first letter, uh, as individual, the first part is it's okay. But here it is quite different than the individual letter as well as the first letter. It's quite different. And in the last letter, the same thing. It is joining like this. From here, instead of going to join the next letter, it is coming down. This is the shape, it is coming down. So here it is moving like this one, and instead of going forward, it is from here, it is coming down. This is the position, last position of the word. So one typical thing, if you notice here, this letter has different shapes in different position. Not like earlier, the individual position and the last position same shape, and first letter and the middle letter same shape. It's not like that. This one is a different shape. But here it is a different shape. Here it is a different shape. Here it is a different shape. But these two little bit nearby. These two little bit nearby. If you see, if you observe this one. So Ain is uh, it's giving us little trouble in pronunciation as well as in the writing, in the recognition. So you have to work a little more on this letter. Ain, the name. Ain, the first position. Ain, the middle position. Ain, the last position. This is the regarding the Ain. In the Ghain, only the dot is different. Here, if you put the dot, it is a Ghain. This is a Ghain. The shape is same. There is no change in the shape between Ain and the Ghain. Only the dot is the different. So here triangle shape, here also triangle shape must be remember. Now moving to the next letter fa. Fa is exactly where we did before ba, ta, sa. These three letters. If you see the from here up to this point, it is exactly fa also, it's looking like same. Here a small vertical line is there. Instead of vertical line, there must be a small round. That is the identification of the fa. All these three letters has same shape in different positions. Fa also similar to this one. Only the difference is here it has to be a small round. So if you see here, here it is a small round. If you remove the round, it can be a letter not ba. The in the future classes we will get this letter. It looks like that letter, but this small round makes it different than um, the coming letter. So this dot is required and this round circle also required, small circle. This is the identification. This part is the identification. When it is written as a first letter, you can see this is the identification. It's happily joins the following letter, no issues with it. And it joins the preceding letter as well as the following letter. Here also it maintains the small circle. In the last position, like a individual letter, it's same shape, but it's joining the preceding letter. If you closely observe these two letters, ghain and fa, here the shape is different, you can identify easily. Here also shape is different, you can identify easily. But here it will create little bit confusion. Here it is a triangle shape and dot. Here it is a small circle and the dot. That's why this triangle shape must be remembered well, and this circle also must be remembered well, because the remaining dot, it both has the dot. So if you don't remember this circle, you may confuse it. Maybe it is a ghain, maybe it is a fa. So fa means circle, ghain means a triangle. You have to remember this one. This also similar, qaf, but fa is a spreaded letter. Qaf is not, is a narrow letter. It's closing very closely. It's not spreading it, and it has two dots, but here it has a one dot. The remaining thing like ta and qaf. What is the difference between these two? Ta is a small, only the small vertical line, but here the circle is there. This is this difference you have to remember. Qaf has a circle, ta is not having circle. But similarities between both letters, it has two dots, it also has a two dots. When it comes as a middle letter, the same as it is a two dots with the circle. Ta will be a two dots without circle. It's a small vertical line. This is the off. As it is a in the last position, it is a similarly like the individual letter. Fa, qaf. The middle position will give a little bit confusion. The first and first position it's okay, and individual also okay. The shape and the dot must be remember. The shape and the dot must be remember. Here also the shape and the dot must be remember. Otherwise, it matches with the another letter. Calf, it has a yes, please. Yes, please. Somebody open the mic. If you have question, please ask. If you don't have question, please close the mic. Okay, thank you. Uh, calf is something like a reverse L. Some you see this one L. When you see the people who is learning the driving or just got the driving license, they put this L board. Usually in our cities, but not here. They put the big L board in the red color. That means he is a learning person. So be careful. Give him some chance and cooperate with him. This is what it indicates. Here also it's a reverse L. This is a reverse L, but inside there must be a small like S, small shape. If you don't put this one, it looks like another letter which we are going to learn in the next week. This is very important in this type of font. So small L, the L with a small S. This is KAAF, calf. Calf is a letter for the name of this letter. But when it is coming as a first letter and the middle letter, it's changing its shape. It looks like, if you forget this, if you delete this, the upper curve, it looks like a dal. You see, this is a exact shape of dal. Here it is. It looks like dal. Just you have to extend the curve, it become calf. Dal is like this, but if you extend the letter, here one extension, it looks like a calf. So here as a first letter, it's joining the following letter. As a middle letter, it's joining the preceding letter as well as the following letter. As a last letter, last position, it's joining the preceding letter. The name is, you can write in the English, calf. This is a QAF, cough, not calf. This is a Q, cough. This one also you can write it FAA, fa. Telugu, papa, pa is not correct letter. So in Telugu it's not possible to write, but in English, FAA, fa. It can be written as a fa. Here I did not write ta, za, ain, ghain, because in both languages, English and Telugu, we don't have the letters to write exact sound. The only thing is we have to practice here. Here it is, we can take help from the English. Any questions about till now?
సార్ 16, 17 ఒక ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ కొంచెం రిపీట్ చేయండి సార్ ప్లీజ్. ఎందుకంటే అది 17 మనం ఇంతకుముందు నేర్చుకున్న జాకి సిమిలర్గా ఉంది, అందుకని కొంచెం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్కి ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ రిపీట్ చేయండి సార్ ప్లీజ్.
Okay. Okay. I will take the similar sounds. Okay. Tha, dhal, za. Tha, dhal, za. This is a za. ZAA. Pizza, za. Here the light sound. Let me open it. Okay. This is za. Za. This is zo. Zo. You have to open the mouth vertical. Zo. Zo. This is tha. Dhal. You see the tongue. Tha. 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 Dhal. Dhal. Za. Za. Zo. Zo. I'm opening like this. Zo. This is the difference. Za. Zo. Dhal. Dhal. Za. Zo. This is ta. To. Ta. This is like this. Ta. Telugulo ta ta ta. This is to. I have to open like this. Vertical. To. Ta. To. Ta. To. Zal. Za. Zo. Ta. To. This one. Cough. Cough. Calf. This one. Kha. Cough. Calf. This two. Seen. Sod. Seen. Sod. Dod. To. Zo. Ain. Ghain. Fa. You see the tongue? You have to touch. Fa. Cough. Calf. This is the way you have to pronounce it. Is it clear, brother?
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
Okay.
Sir, 19th letter, could you just pronounce? It is like GHAIN, gain, or Ain and gain?
No, please don't take transliteration for ghain, Telugu or English. You have to practice itself. I will give you here. Kha, ghain, gha, ghain, Ha, Ghain. Not Gain, not Ghain. This is a Gha, Ghain.
Right.
Ha,
Yeah.
Ghain. Ha, Ghain. Ghain. Okay?
Okay, sir. Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
సార్ కొన్ని నేమ్స్ ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ రయాన్ అని. సో కెన్ వి కన్సిడర్ దట్ రయాన్ రయాన్ అనే ఒక నేమ్ ఉంది. సో ఈజ్ ఇట్ సిమిలర్ టు దిస్?
Rayan is
Rai-
different. Rayan is not, there is no Ghain in this one. Ghalib is a Gha. Ghair is a Gha. Ghani is there. Ghafoor is a Gha. These letters have the Gha.
ఓకే. సో ఇది రా కాదు, గా. ఐ మీన్ గాలో ఒక
గా నుండే వస్తుంది, కానీ గా కాదు. గాకు దగ్గరలో ఉన్న శబ్దం ఇది. గని
ఒత్తు ఘ తెలుగులో ఉంటుంది కదండి, అలా నేను ఒత్తు ఘ
తెలుగులో
కూడా
దీనికి
అక్కడి
లెటర్ లేదు. గా, గని, ఘని రెండు కాదు. ఇది గని కాదు, ఘని కాదు. గని, గా, గని.
గని.
కొంచెం డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది అక్కడ. ఓకే ఓకే ఒకసారి నేను చదువుతాను, తర్వాత మీరు కూడా చదువుతారు. కానీ ఏమైనా ప్రశ్నలు ఉన్నాయి ఇప్పటివరకు?
सर इन लोग को बता सकते हैं कि ये हॉट वाटर डाल के थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन होता है ना जब करते गारगरा, वैसा बताना है।
गरगरा से भी आवाज आती है. गा गा
हाँ।
जो है ना,
हाँ हाँ
हाँ,
उनको वो
गा-
बताया।
गले में कोई चीज अगर यानी खाने के टाइम में कोई चीज अगर फंस गई या कोई चीज निकालना है आपको, तो उस वक्त हम
गारगरा।
जो
उनको
आवाज
बताया,
कोशिश करते हैं वो वही जगह से निकलती है.
उनको बताया अभी वो,
जी
इन लोग को बताया आप कैसे
हाँ,
చేప
बताया?
ముళ్ళు
पहले बताया.
చేప ముళ్ళు ఇరుక్కుంటే
हाँ,
हाँ
చేప ముళ్ళు ఇరుక్కున్నా, లోపల ఏదన్నా తినేటప్పుడు ఏదన్నా ఇరుక్కున్నా, దాన్ని
మచ్చిక
బయటికి
కాట.
తీయటానికి మనం ఎలాగైతే ఆ శబ్దం తీస్తామో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అక్కడి నుంచే ఈ శబ్దాలు వస్తాయి. హా, గైన్, హా, గైన్, ఈ రెండు కూడా బ్యాక్ సైడ్. ఓకే
ओके सर।
ఓకే అలిఫ్, బా, తా, సా, జీమ్, హా, ఖా, దాల్, జాల్, రా, జా, సీన్, షీన్, సాద్, దాద్, తా, జా, ఐన్, గైన్, ఫా, ఖాఫ్, కాఫ్. అలిఫ్, బా, తా, సా, జీమ్, హా, ఖా, దాల్, జాల్, రా, జా, సీన్, షీన్, సాద్, దాద్, తా, జా, ఐన్, గైన్, ఫా, ఖాఫ్, కాఫ్. అలిఫ్, బా, తా, సా, జీమ్, హా, ఖా, దాల్, జాల్, రా, జా, సీన్, షీన్, సాద్, దాద్, తా, జా, ఐన్, గైన్, ఫా, ఖాఫ్, కాఫ్. Okay. Let's start with please don't open the mic. It's giving little bit confusion. I will ask by name, then we can open the mic. Let us start with the Khalid. Brother Khalid.
Alif,
Hmm.
Ba, Ta,
No,
Sa,
not Ta. It is Ta.
Ta. Sorry.
Yeah, that's right.
Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Qa, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Swad, Zwad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf.
Here it is a light letter. Here it is a light letter. Here also light letter. Ta, Sa, Za. What you are doing here is Ta, Sa, Za. This is you are reading as a heavy letter. Just a small correction here. Ta, light letter. Sa, light letter. Za, light letter. Okay.
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 Okay, sir.
Thank you. Nawaz.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Hai, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Zad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Khaf, Kaf.
Okay. Brother, here you have to be careful. These are the light letters. Ta, Sa, Dal, Zal, Za. Za is also light letter. Za. Okay. Here, when you are reading, if you say tha, then it's coming like this. Saw, it is not the correct sound. So you have to take the smiling face when you are reading these letters. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Wasimuddin.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Khaf, Kaf.
Very good. Here,
Alif. Alif,
alif,
yes.
not
Yes.
not with the prolongation.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Naresh.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dad,
Thaw,
Saw,
not ta, not saw. It is a thaw.
Ta,
Yeah.
Zaw,
So very good.
Rain,
Ain,
Ain, Rain,
ghain, ghain, ain, ghain,
Ain,
ain.
Rain,
And repeat, please. Ain, ghain.
Ain, Rain,
Yeah. Fa,
Fa, Kha,
of, Qaf.
Cough,
Of, F also must be there.
Cough,
Yeah.
Cough.
Very good. Excellent. Abdul Hamid.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Kaf, Kaf.
Here it is heavy. Of.
Qaf. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Salim Sheikh.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin,
Sod,
Sod, Dod,
To,
Tho, Zo,
Ain,
Ain, Ghain, Fa,
Of.
Qaf, Kaf.
Very good. Srinivas.
Yes, sir. Alif, Ba, Tha, Sa, Jim, ha, kho, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, to, zo, hain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf.
Very good. Your voice is very clear in reading the Arabic letters.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Suman.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, zim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, za, ain, gain, fa, kaf, kaf.
Yeah. Here it is a J-E-E-M. Jeem.
Yeah, jim.
This one is a Ghain. Gha. Ghain.
Oin. Okay.
Okay.
All right, sir.
Suresh.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, jal, ra, ja, sin, shin, sod, dad, tha, jo,
Za.
ain, jo, ain, rain, fa, Qaf, Kaf.
Yeah. Here it is not Jal, it is a Z-double-A-L. Zal.
Zal,
Z-double-A-L.
Zal,
Zal. Here Z-double-A. Za.
Za,
Here it is Za. You have to open the mouth
Za,
vertical. Yeah. Thank you.
Za,
Yaqub Sheikh Saab. Yaqub Saab.
Za,
Okay. Karthik.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, tha, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf.
Yeah. Here, you know Telugu, right?
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ ఒత్తు ఒత్తు రాకూడదు. ఒత్తు రాకుండా లావుగా చదవాలి దీన్ని. తో థా థా ఈజ్ ఒత్తు. థా కాదు తో.
ఓకే.
Yeah. Here it is QAAF. Off.
Cough. Okay, sir. Cough.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, sir.
Next. Karthik. Kiran Kumar.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sod, dod, tha,
To.
za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf.
Very good. Abdul Aziz.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, tha, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf.
Very good. Here, small correction. Not Azim, it is a Jeem.
J.
J-double-E-M. You have to remember. Jeem.
Jeem.
Okay. Mazhar. Obed Mazhar.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
अलिफ बा ता सा जीम हा खा दाल जाल रा जा सीन शीन स्वाद ज़ाद ता जा आइन गैन फा खाफ काफ.
Very good. Bala.
अलिफ बा ता सा जीम हा खा दाल जाल रा
Za.
जा सीन शीन साद दाद ता जा आइन गाइन फा कॉफ काफ.
Q-A-F. Qaf.
Yeah, cough cough.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right. Abdul Alim.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Yeah, alaikum salam.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, صاد, ضاد, طا, ظا, عين, غين, فا, قاف.
Kaf.
Qaf. Okay.
Yeah. Rama Kumari garu.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, da,
Dal.
dal, za, ra,
Zal.
dal,
Dal.
zal,
Yeah.
ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, da,
Za.
za, ain, gain, fa, kaf, cough.
Very good. Name is written as Alpha Tank. Okay, Anand.
నమస్కారం సార్.
Namaste.
అలీఫ్ బా తా సా జీమ్ హా ఖా దాల్ జాల్ రా జా ఐన్
No, Seen.
no, షీన్
Seen, Sheen.
సాద్ దాద్
Okay.
తా జా ఐన్ గెయిన్ ఫా ఖాఫ్ కాఫ్.
Very good, Andy. Azmatullah.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Alaikum salam.
अलिफ बा ता सा जीम हा खा दाल जाल रा ता सीन शीन साद दाद ता दा आइन गैन फा काफ काफ.
Excellent. Next. Hamza. I think a Mazhar bhai.
Already done. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alaikum assalam.
Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin,
Sorry.
sin, shin, swad, dad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf.
Very good. Harish Kumar.
अलिफ बा ता सा जीम हा खा दाल जाल रा जा सीन सीन
Sheen. SH.
Sheen, Sheen, Sod, Dod, Saw, sorry, To, Saw,
To, Zo.
To, Zo,
Ain.
Ain, Gain, Khaf, Khaf, Kaf, Fa,
QA.
Khaf, Kaf,
QAAF. Cough.
QAAF, Khaf,
F. No. QAAF. How to read QAAF? Cough.
Khaf, Khaf.
Yeah, this is calf. KAAF.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Harsha,
Good evening, sir.
good evening.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Zal, Dal, Zal,
No. Dal, Zal.
Dal, Zal, Ra, Zo, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad,
To,
To, Zo, one second, sir. Ain, Gain, Fa, Off, Kaf.
yeah. Yeah. Here it is a light letter, Za, not is Za. Okay. This one. Okay. Lakshmi Garu.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Amma.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Tha, Zo, Ain, Rain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf.
Here it is not ta, tha. It is not tha. It is tha. Same tha, but heavy. Tha.
Tha.
Yeah. Next, Liaqat Hussain.
Shuru. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf.
MashaAllah. Very good. Excellent. Ismail Mujahid. Shabir Ali. Rajesh.
Namaskaram, sir.
Good evening.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Zim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Ja, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, To, Ja, Ain, Rain, Fa, Kaf, Kaf.
Here it is not a Zim, it is a Jim. J.
Zim.
Jim. Ja. Jim. Tell me again. Jim.
Zim. Zim.
Not Zim. Zim is coming some different letter.
Jim.
Yeah. Jim. Here it is ZAA. Za.
Za.
It is Za. Heavy.
Ja, Za.
Za.
Zo.
Heavy.
Zo.
Yeah.
Zo.
This one is QAAF. Cough.
Of Kaf.
Kaf. Very good. Salman.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, va, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf.
Yeah, this is ghain, ghain.
Ghain.
Yeah, that's right. Shirin.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Walaikum salam.
अलिफ, बा, ता, सा, जीम, हा, खा, दाल, जाल, रा, जा, सीन, शीन, صاد, ताद, ता, जा, आइन, गाइन, फा, काफ, काफ।
Very good. Excellent. Next, Srikanth.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sod, dod, to, zo, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf.
Excellent, Andy. Except this letter. This is a QAAF. Cough.
Cough.
Don't take it like a kha. It is a qaw. Cough.
Cough.
Very good. Vidya Garu.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, zo, ain, gain, fa, qaf,
QAAF. Cough.
kaf,
A little
Cough.
bit heavy. Cough.
khaf, kaf,
Yeah. Kha is different. Qaw is different. Cough.
off,
Yeah.
cough.
Here these two letters also required little bit heavy. Sod, dod.
Sad, dad.
Yeah. I think Yaqub sir. Are you
Yeah.
available?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, please.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sod, dod, ta, za, ain, gain, fa, kha, kaf, ka.
Calf.
Calf.
Yeah. Excellent. Here small correction. ZAAL. Zal.
Zal, yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. If I miss anyone's name, please open the mic and read. I'm very sorry, but I think I took all the names. But if I miss by chance, please open the mic. Okay. Yes, please.
सर कंट्रोल पैनल से ओरिजिनल का वही लिखा दीजिए ना।
Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, it's today's lesson is finished now. If someone want to leave, they can leave. Just I will show Mazhar Bhai about the control panel and this one.
Yes.
Anyone IT people are here, I think.
Yes,
They
sir.
can
Sir,
help me.
Sir, with your kind permission, shall I post a video? Like, it will show how to install the from settings for Windows 10. Shall I post a video?
Yes,
My
please.
YouTube link will be there.
Yeah.
डालें क्या सर?
If you want, you can share the screen. I will stop it.
नहीं सर, मैं अभी तो मोबाइल से हूँ. अगर
Okay.
आप बोले तो मैं YouTube की लिंक डाल सकता हूँ.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. You can post the YouTube link.
Okay, sir. I will copy. I will copy there.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any questions regarding today's lesson? Now we reach up to 20 letters. Only few letters are remaining. And the remaining letters are easy and simple, and it has a name in the English. The toughest letters are today's lesson. From here, the tough letters start. Sod, Dod, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain. Up to this point, little bit tough. And Qaf also little bit tough. The remaining letters we can manage. But I'm happy you all also did well. And the Ta and Za, also Ghain, Qaf, you did well. So only the remaining letters are very easy and simple letters that we will take it in the coming session. Yes,
సార్
Srinivas.
కార్నర్ లో ఇక్కడ రెడ్ కలర్ లో ఇచ్చారు కదా అవి ఏంటి అని చెప్పు. ప్రతి లెటర్ కి
ఎక్కడ అది?
టాప్ ప్రతి ఈచ్ లెటర్ కి టాప్
ఇది అరబిక్ లో ఆ లెటర్ పేరు అన్నమాట.
ఓకే.
ఇక్కడ మనం 2 లెటర్స్ చదువుకున్నాం కదా, బా అలిఫ్. దీని పేరు బా. తా అలిఫ్ దీని పేరు తా. అరబిక్ లో దీని పేరు అన్నమాట.
ఓకే.
అంతకుముందు మనం అనుకున్నాం కదా, లెటర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్, లెటర్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. వాట్ వీఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ ఈజ్ ద లెటర్ నేమ్. Letter name, it required a few more letters to write. In some here it required 1, 2, 3 letters to write the name of Jim. Like in English also, when we write Jim, we take J-E-E-M, 4 letters. Similarly, here it is a scene. In English we are taking 4 letters. In Arabic also it required 3 letters. This is the name of the letter. What we are trying to learn in last few weeks is to get the introduction of the Arabic letters by name, by its characteristic, by its articulation point, and how it changes in the different position in the when it comes in the word.
जी करीम साहब, जिसका हो गया क्या जा सकते हैं? एक इम्पोर्टेंट
जी
कॉल आ
हो
रहा
गया
है.
आप yeah.
Sorry to disturb you, sir. I'm joining for the first time, so sorry if I'm mistaking, but I just want to repeat the letters.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, it's Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Ho, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, To, Zo, Ain, Gain, Fa, Kof, Kaf.
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 Yeah. Here small correction. Z-A-A-L. Zal.
Zal.
Yeah. Excellent. Even you are did the first session, but you did well.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Yeah. So let's conclude the session, today's session. If you have any questions, please ask. If you don't have, we can close it now. Okay. Let's meet in the next session. Till that, good night to everyone. Yes, Abdulaziz sir. Alaikum salam.
Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.
Welcome. Brother Anand, you open the mic. You have any question?
No, nothing, sir. Nothing.
Okay. So let's.
Sir.
Yeah.
Absent है sir मेरा.
Sorry.
At 3 places it's absent. Only 3 places it's present. At 3 places it's absent.
Okay. The coordinator will take the attendance. You can post it in the group.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Till next class, good night to everybody. We will meet in the next session on Sunday. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Welcome.
sir. Good night.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.